Holy shit. This is crazy. There's a telephone pole right there. Cannot see a damn thing. Everybody's just getting off the road. Look at this guy. He's gonna try and drive in this. Both of them. Oh, there he goes. He's in the ditch. Like, why drive if you can't see? Just park it. Just park it. Holy, I haven't seen anything this bad. Definitely the worst I've ever seen it. So much snow building up on the window. Luckily, the wind's going the other way, so it's still kind of getting in. Don't drive. Get off the road. That's Dan. Come here. Holy shit. All right. Oh, I'm gonna film it again later.